Previously on...
The one from here to here, that's what I want. But I get the one from here to here. You have to go up on the bed, and you take off the whole of my brassiere, then patch up.
Tell me that she don't want me have no relationship with her kidney them.
Why?
All this type of foolishness.
Hey, did you tell me go sleep with me, Linda?
No, this is the vlog. I think I have something in my teeth.
You should cut this part out though.
No. What's up, guys? It's Friday the 13th.
Friday the 13th.
And I'm with Puffy.
I have dreads.
Still. Surprisingly. Okay, yeah, there you guys can see me a little bit better. Anyways, I'm on the bus right now. I'm going to the airport to see my uncle Johnny Wayne. Behave yourself. He does not want you.
Oh my goodness, what is this? Why are you trying to mix me up? I'm so drama free. Don't do it, okay?
Anyways, yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna meet my uncle at the airport. He's coming to Canada, not Toronto, to stay. He's going to another part of Canada, but he's stopping over in Toronto, so I get to see him for a little bit, and I'm so excited. It's his first time traveling. He's so nervous. I wonder how he did on the plane. He's already landed or whatever, but yeah, I don't get to see. He's doing some paperwork and stuff like that. Stop, man. You're so annoying. Doing some paperwork and stuff like that, so I'm gonna get to see him once he's done with that. And I can't wait to see what happened. I can't wait to see him in Canada. Like, yo, you guys, this was his first time traveling. Like,
nice outside
I know, on an airplane. Like, he's a grown-ass man. Like, he's in his 40s, and this was his first time flying. So, like, it's different for, like, kids than it is for adults. So I want to know, like, what it was like for him, you know? Because after doing it so much, like, it's either like you kind of know like what you're getting yourself into, but like for your first time, I was talking to him last night about turbulence. He was like, yo, me don't want to feel no plane shake. No, I was preparing him because I'm like, yo, it's gonna happen. I'm like, just don't freak out. And I'm like, yo, no, I didn't even exaggerate. No, I didn't even exaggerate. All I said to him was, I'm like, yo, if you feel the plane shake a little bit, or if you feel like it's dropping or whatever, I'm like, you're not gonna crash. Nothing like that's gonna happen. I'm like, it's just turbulence, okay? And I'm like, before you freak out, look around, see what the other people are doing on the plane first.
It's a bunch of white people there. You're just like...
I'm like, see what they're doing first. If they're not freaking out, then you know you're fine, okay? Cool. And he was dying. He's like, yeah. I can't wait for you guys to meet him. I can't believe I've never had him on the vlog before.
I'm surprised you haven't had him on the vlog.
When I went down the first time and I did the vlogs, like they just didn't work on my computer because I vlogged when I went to his wedding and stuff like that, but it just didn't work.
You don't even have it anymore.
It's on my old computer. I mean, I can take out the hard drive, but whatever. But anyways, I ain't gonna bore y'all. I'll see you guys when we get to the airport. So excited.
Yo, Milanine. That one name Kill Bad Man. You ready? Andrew Blast. What you feel do? Watch them boy there. Look out at your eye them. IG spy them. You know. Hey. Baby G. Me no afraid of no threat. Me no afraid of no highlight, no damn powder. And to how me work hard for me things, me and somebody, everybody prouder. Hold on there. Them no want see we who no Benz, no house and no Land Rover. No matter bad mind, so who no matter 10 times. So who no matter bad mind, who no can't stop my time. Hey. So who no matter bad mind, so who no matter 10 times. So who no matter bad mind, who no can't stop my time. I block, them can't stop it sitting. Family we missing. Funeral with the shine and whistle. People are bury when me daughter christen. Tell them, so who no matter bad man.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I don't even know where I am.
No.
Down.
Okay, departures and arrivals. Wait. I'm going up that way.
I'm so excited.
It's so weird. I don't come to the airport unless I'm traveling.
Really? I've been here so much in the last, like this year, that like, it's nothing to me now.
No, I don't come here unless I'm traveling. It's not much of the time that I ever come and get somebody with somebody else. Out of your head.
Is arrivals? Okay, no, departures is up there. So we're looking for Booster Rooster.
And it's up there. It's up top.
Ah. He said he's buying some free phone.
But he'd be more down there. Because Booster's on top. Did you say he was by it or downstairs fucking?
I don't know, but I'm excited. You guys, I'm gonna see my uncle. I'm so excited. You guys,
I'm never around this many people.
so I'm gonna see my husband for the first time.
You're who?
I want to be mixed up. Uncle Johnny? Uncle Johnny? Uncle John.
Oh my gosh. And I'm embarrassed.
I was just like, I'm looking for my husband for the first time. Uncle John! Oh yeah, Tiffany, Uncle John, yeah, this girl. Yeah. I'm joking. This is my baby. You know, you guys know. You guys, this is my Uncle John. You're in Canada. This is the Star Boy. Oh my god, my goodies? Oh shoot, I should have brought a bag. You guys, the man said he wants a coffee and a fried dumpling, a Timbit, okay? A donut, he wants a fried dumpling. When you just land, when you're playing just land, when it just land. You call Laura? You text her? So, we're just talking about double doubles. Wait, I'm sorry, what's your name again? Charlene, okay. Look how you rip up and open to something. No, I have to go so far now. Look, it doesn't have to go so far. Look, it goes right there, and then look, it closes. It stops right in there.
When you close it out, it's all over the place.
You want to take time? You want something to catch it? You don't have no piece of wood. Eh?
You can use the carry out thing.
Oh my god! Yes, you find you have use.
Everywhere.
You have use. This man said he thought a double was double cup. No, when you want a double cup, you request a double cup. Okay. Oh my god.
Bula? Okay, bula.
This is too funny. I still can't believe this Negro is here though. Like, this is hella hilarious. This is so funny. Boy, Island really bad is from Island. So, hold on, chicken burger. Chicken.
Yeah, chicken
Wheat. Medium fried. You want to call Canada and can't get Island grill? I can't. Oh my god.
This is upside down right now, too.
It's okay. When I edit it, I can flip it. Oh my god, you guys, it's a chicken burger. Wait, look at the tomato. Oh my god, wait, look at the tomato.
What is?
It's sugar.
It's
sucre.
it's French.
Yeah, that's French. That's French. Yes, you have to learn French as well while you're here. There's people
I'm
that
having
are...
sucre.
Do you know what bonjour means? Bonjour.
Oh, you're bonjour?
Bonjour.
Oh what?
Bonjour means hello. No, hello.
They didn't talk to you like that on the plane? They're like when they started.
Whenever they announce something, they go ahead and do it in French.
Yes.
Yeah,
But that time they get confused.
but they say bonjour at the beginning, right?
It smells like Jamaica.
Wait, I'll get it.
He's probably like. When's the last time you ate? Cause this girl's about to just yam up.
Jamaica, them come from, you know, remember them wake up from early in the morning.
Fried fish. Fried fish.
Alright. Okay.
Well, somebody from Mandeville don't eat no breakfast.
Girl, you're from Mandeville too? I don't like Mandeville people. Which side is good?
Good side, bad side.
We said bad.
Which
side
side
bad?
is good? Because it's probably the same
Mine is
side.
from Spur Tree. Big up Spur Tree. That's where my in-laws them come from. Big up Spur Tree. Yeah.
So which side's a good side?
Thank you.
You just have to taste one.
How long are you guys here for?
1 year.
Seriously?
You're here for a year.
No, shut up.
Yeah.
1 whole year?
So that means you can come see her.
What? Yes, you have to come. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, Uncle John, you seriously have to come. Oh my god. You have to come anytime you have a break.
Labor Day is in September.
Oh,
That's early September.
What? I like the first couple days in September. Goes here. Yeah, he's a Canadian. What happened to the I am Canadian shirt? Yeah, in approval. Okay, we're not gonna show too much information, but yes, city approval.
Main
City
Street, Winnipeg.
Canada there. Woo!
Look, show me new address. Show me new address.
We don't have space.
What kind of space? We don't have space.
Hurry up now before the snap done.
Zoe. The flight long. Yeah. You see, I just got to America.
You guys should have sung.
The man said, I'm sit between two gentlemen.
Okay.
And whatever, we know. Things are things that start. If you don't mind, I would like to take a peek with the person on flight. I was like, yeah,
We're passing to.
alright.
We're Bob? Where might go?
Long as time to okay, I'm going to go to the bathroom, but I'm going to spend a long time. I think I'll linger for a while.
He just couldn't open the window for you to look?
No man, I must sit between a minute. I
So?
don't want to look over. I want to sit on the living room. So he comes on.
Why didn't you ask him to just switch seats?
He's saying one linger a while. No, he's saying back, you have a back problem, so you have to sit down. That's for whatever reason I have to do something for him. So eventually he's saying go run on the back of the stairs for a while. Yeah man, he's saying go run on the back for a while and then he spent about half an hour more.
Oh my god, in the bathroom.
No man, trying to run back.
Okay.
Maybe not smoke weed or go let me in the seat. Go ahead. Let me in the seat for a while. And was like look down there, and say land. And more land.
Where's the next bag?
Once.
Oh, once we're here.
Yeah, friends, man.
How you mean? I start panicking right there too.
So you stand up there how long? You serious?
Come on. You gotta win that one there. Look. Here land. Ben Johnny man, come back. You to see enough now? Yeah, man.
What did you want to see, like clouds and stuff?
The water, like Cuba.
Everything. I went to take out more like.
Yo, didn't it feel so cool? When it's like,
When you live, you don't really feel like it, but if mine just one park when you run me, I'm there. Alright, I go to that one.
When you hear all those gears and everything just start, yo, you just hear, yo.
When it starts lifting.
Bro.
No, see building them. No, see. See.
It's so stupid. Yo, it's the best when you feel the wheels come off the ground. Oh my god, that's what I was telling him. I'm like, you're gonna be on a slant for a while. Don't be scared. It was a good flight.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was smooth.
I like in Jamaican taxi man.
Because you know every route have a fronty taxi man. Yeah.
I'm from the taxi man.
And that me understand. Every route have a fronty taxi man. Whether you drive a taxi car or a taxi man.
Yeah man, no,
Yo. Oh my god.
I can't breathe.
every time I'm asking, that far from you can't come to Canada. Nothing at all to do to come to Canada. And eventually just work out and come. I'm get the visa, so if somebody come on mine and she and send me this picture. Send the picture for us.
All she talks about.
For real, he sent it, yo. It's just such a shame it's not Toronto that he was coming to. Cause yo, if he came to Toronto,
Good times.
Let me see. Hey, you know, let me play them between man. Hey, so my niece should be able to this, you know, don't you? How do you say man tell you're in Toronto now?
That sounds like something
and you know, like where my building is, you see literally. Ask her. You see all the planes. I was on the road. I was on the road when you were probably landing.
Yeah. Did you see a Walmart?
No, so it's like they asked him and then become good body. So I said yeah. And they show me.
I knew he was gonna make friends on the plane. Like I just knew it.
It's a Jamaican thing.
No, it's his thing.
No, but it's a Jamaican thing.
Oh,
Jamaican people
God.
make friends easily.
When the airport, when
there's a lady beside
I must say, I know
me,
that
we
airport.
Talk.
When I reach it,
They can't help it. They can't help but talk. Like when they know, especially too.
What do you call it? Big
Like oceans or seas, rivers, lakes.
lake.
Lake.
I must say, you know what is that? I was, oh yeah, that's ocean. He said, no, it's a lake. It's one of the biggest lakes in the
Lake Ontario.
Probably Lake Ontario,
Lake Ontario.
Two of them inside of there. But three of them are together.
Lake Ontario,
But
Lake
one-
Huron.
Lake Erie.
Erie, yeah.
So you know, give me some history, man. And I said, why you like Canada? You will make it very whatever. And I said, well, tell that to the bar up, so I'm going to give me some.
Really?
One dollar question, like suspicious, like.
That's how they are.
Especially.
That's how they
The
are.
other one,
Right?
the other one, he just said, come, I'm going to go show him paper. I said, where you from, so work. And he said, you have any supporting documents, I'm going to take out the contract and show him the letter. And he said, okay, alright, I know how long you'll be here from. I said, well, the contract say here, so 305 days.
Here.
It's a year.
Here.
So I started with, so as soon as
It could be 366 because it is a leap year.
It is.
Let that go, that's all. So I say,
But it's almost
alright, but
halfway.
you know, give me some additional days.
Really?
Yeah, he said to me, you don't know what I start working with, by the time travel weeks or whatever, so I give some additional days, like he's in May, until 17, I don't know enough days, you know, like
Right.
4 days, didn't give me. And he just called back and said, ready, come and say, I have our account, I expect it, and I said,
They should not get through, Lord Jesus, should God,
I
man.
walk up on this morning, I walk up on this morning.
Me, we gender.